Hello friends, and welcome to my Halloween house tour. We're going to start on the porch. The skeleton lost its head years ago, so now I just put a witch's hat on him. A lot of these decorations I've had for years. The wreath I got at Walmart last year. Come on inside. On our front door we have this trick or treat sign. On the other side it says out of candy. On Halloween day we put that outside. This area of the home I used a lot of the orange and black colors and just had the front of the house have that theme. I just used some cobwebs in this cauldron and puffed them up. That candelabra down there I got from the DI, which is like a Goodwill. I'll have a link down below where you can get these cute Halloween posters. I've gotten things over the years from the DI, which is like a Goodwill, Michael's, Joann's, Partyland, Walmart, Shopko, At Home, Gardener's Village, Modern Display, the Dollar Tree, Target, and a lot I have had seriously since Callie was little. Now this is the ledge by my stairs that goes down into the basement. Every year I do my house differently, and the ledge I did differently this year as well. I like to print pictures offline, put them in frames. This box I repainted and created to look old using the same method I make my spell books, and I'll leave a link for that down below. Let's head into the kitchen. These 3D birds I grabbed from Walmart. Everything in this big cauldron I grabbed at Michael's last year at the end of the season. So cheap. I tried not to clutter up the kitchen this year. I tried to keep it as simple, but bring in that fun. These gorgeous candlesticks were a birthday present from a friend last year. I love them. This sign is from Rodworks. I did forget to mention that I love getting a lot of my Halloween also from Rodworks. I think they're just local to Utah. I kept the decorations above the refrigerator this year very simple. These bottles on my counter, I'm going to be making more potion bottles, so they're there to remind me, hey, you need to be making more of those. So those will be taken off my counter soon. On my windowsill, I love also doing the black and orange theme. My favorite thing in the kitchen this year are these cute salt and pepper shakers that look like tombstones. I actually found these at Kneaders. The Spiderweb Tabletop is actually from at home this year. And I decided to utilize this bird cage that I use all year round for Halloween. Instead of trying to figure out a Halloween table display, I just used what I had. And I just added a few fun decorations on the inside. There's also a candle in there that lights up at night. I also have candles throughout my whole house. There's a lot above the cupboards in the kitchen, and it just creates a beautiful ambiance. In between our kitchen and our living room is our Halloween village. The top shelf is dedicated for witches. The two houses on each side actually make noise and light up. They are so fun. A lot of these things came from the Dollar Tree, Michael's, and for Michael's, their Halloween village is Limax. Some of these are from Department 56. Some of these are from the DI. The second shelf is like the village. We have trick-or-treaters, we have some pumpkin homes. The third shelf is the graveyard. And the last shelf is just extra things that needed a home. We just love it. It is so fun to look at. Okay, let's move on to the rest of the home. Let me share with you our fireplace. This window I have had for many years that I got at an antique store. The wreath is from Target. I made this Hocus Pocus book. If you'd like to learn how to make these spell books, click on the link below. One of my favorite things this year is this picture right in the middle of our mantle. It was made by Pick Your Plum. On the bookshelves on the fireplace, I just have some random books and random decorations just to fill in the space. Oh, these books this year I got at Big Lots. They make creaking noises. They're so fun. And yes, that is a bust of Derek. This is the corner shelf in the living room. And I have 3 Halloween pillows on my couch. And this is underneath the TV stand here in the living room. This new Wicked book was one of the new spell books that I created this year. My new favorite item that I got this year is this Goldeny picture easel. Now we're entering into the hallway. I just love this spidery web black lace. I hung it on the entryway into the hallway. And here is my Cairo Cabinet. I've had this cabinet since Callie was born. The witch's inside is new from Michael's this year. And inside is all my homemade potion bottles that I have made over the years. I have it with candles that I got from Costco. They're all in a timer and they can light up on their own. Making potion bottles is really a load of fun. You can get so creative. And that, my friends, is my Halloween house tour for 2018. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.